In life, we always face problems. Whether they big or small, there's always a solution. Sometimes all it takes is a little creativity and a lot of imagination. But we're here to help. We've got some great ideas to help you. So grab those 3D pens and glue guns. It's time for some great 3D pen versus hot glue hacks. Uh-oh, that's not good. Seriously, who did that? I should fix it. That seems a little dramatic. Ah, my 3D pen. That's more like it. I can fix this. I'll start by creating a strand of plastic around the gap. Now I'll join them up. And fill in the gap. This is actually relaxing. I'm just creating a fake brick. There, that's better. Time to go. Come on. No!
Shh! I'm trying to concentrate! Oh, that looks good!
Oh, you're going down, Cheryl!
Oh yeah? Bring it on!
Take that!
Daddy, be quiet!
Oh, this is serious!
Ow! Look what you did! Be careful!
Huh? Was that me? Oh no, this is bad! Oh, give me the key! Quickly!
No!
Oh, this is a disaster! What am I gonna do? Wait a minute. I can use the 3D pen. I'll start by drawing a square. Then the letter A. I need to know what key it is. Now I'll build up the layers, and I will make a replacement key. I'll fit it to the keyboard. There! It looks perfect. Okay, relax. It's all okay. Oh no! Cheryl!
Huh? What? Let's do this!
Whoa, this key's great!
I better finish my drawing. Huh? Daddy, did you take my 3D pen? Stop taking my things or I'll tell Mom! I need a place of my own. Time for bed. I'm so sleepy. And I'm expecting a visit from the Tooth Fairy. I'll leave my tooth right here. Oh, it's so exciting! I hope I have sweet dreams.
I'm here! Oh, where did that came from? Is that a spider web? Yuck! Okay, whoops! Phew, she's still asleep. Oh, that's not good. I need to fix it. Oh, I broke my wand! Not again. This always happens. Hold on. I know what to do. I need another plate and my 3D pen. I'll draw around the edge of the plate. I want to create a border. Then I'll start to fill it in. I'll draw horizontal lines across the plate. So far, so good. Now I'll draw vertical lines. It's looking good. There, it's finished! I'll put the new plate right here, and I'll replace the candies. Wait, I'm forgetting something. The tooth! Oh, this never happens to the Easter Bunny. Nice and easy. Oh, that's a good trade. Nice doing business with you. Now I can get out of here. Oh, come on!
Wow, that's really up there. Oh, ice cream! My favorite! Oh, I want it! Where's my money? Oh, that's right. I don't have any. Hang on. Maybe I could charm my way to free ice cream. I'll keep that booger for later. Hi, how can I help you? Hey you. Can I get some ice cream? If you've got money, sure. But I don't have any. Then you don't get any ice cream. I have an idea. I'll start by drawing a triangle. I'll change color and make a lattice. And now I'll do the ice cream. Oh, my mouth is watering. I'll fill the ice cream in. Then I'll add some strawberry sauce. No ice cream is complete without it. Finally, I'll create a small loop. I I can thread a chain through it. Wow, my own ice cream necklace! Something's missing though. Earrings! Wow, these are great! I feel like having a makeover. That feels better.
Oh, hi!
Hi.
Whoa, you're so pretty!
I'll trade you a kiss for an ice cream.
Sounds good!
Really?
This is my lucky day!
Give me that!
Oh, I can't believe that happened again!
It's time for my beauty sleep. Not that I need it. I better turn off the light. Whoops. Wait a minute. What's under there? Oh, what's this? It's my old toys! Oh, my favorite teddy bear! Huh? My doll! Oh, you've seen better days. But I still love you. Dolly? Where are you? Ah!
Where am I? What happened to me?
Oh, I can't let that happen!
I used to be so pretty.
Don't worry, I'll make everything okay. Wait, where's that 3D pen? I think I know what to do. Let's go, Dolly. It's time for some new clothes. But we're not going shopping. We're using a 3D pen. Oh, this dress will look great. You look so fashionable. I love it. You're so beautiful, Dolly. Okay, it's time for bed. Night, Dolly. Sweet dreams.
Huh? Wow, this is so pretty. Oh, Mickey still loves me.